Zeno, Dragon Ball Super, can erase universes instantly. Saitama, One Punch Man, can defeat any opponent with one punch. Feathering Augustus Aurora, Umineko, can rewrite the entire multiverse as a story. Rimuru Tempest, that time I got reincarnated as a slime, god form, reality warping and infinite power. Goku, Dragon Ball, Ultra Instinct, can fight gods and break dimensions. Naruto Uzumaki, Naruto Baryon mode, can drain an opponent's life force in seconds. Gojo Satoru, Jujutsu Kaisen, near invincible with infinity and limitless techniques. Ichigo Kurosaki, Bleach, True Bankai form, can battle god-tier beings. Luffy, One Piece, Gear 5, Nika form, can bend reality cartoonishly. All Might, My Hero Academia, Prime form, strongest hero in his world. Jotaro Kujo, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, Star Platinum, The World, can stop time for seconds. Eren Yeager, Attack on Titan, Founding Titan, can command millions of colossal titans. Levi Ackerman, Attack on Titan, the best human fighter with insane speed. Killua Zoldyck, Hunter x Hunter, Godspeed mode, insane speed and electric abilities. Rock Lee, Naruto 8 Gates mode, can fight stronger enemies but damages himself. Genos, One Punch Man, latest upgrade, still leagues below Saitama but powerful. Tanjiro Kamado, an elite swordsman but still human. Guts, a powerful human warrior but still bound by mortal limits. Usopp, One Piece, a skilled sniper but physically weak. Iruka Umino, Naruto, a skilled ninja teacher but not elite level. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.